Hey, good morning, guys. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the London session live stream brought to you by Monster Money Trading. This is your host, Connor Abrams. Let's get it. I know Randa is really annoying with this nonsense that they did. But the thing is, I like Rwanda's 4-hour. I'm so used to using their 4-hour candle because it closes now. Coming into pre-London hours, so just going based off the 4-hour here on a Rwanda, that's looking really nice. Get out. Alright, so we saw that demand coming in. You guys really should have had a look at the weekly breakdown. You would have been well prepared for these buys. I was looking for the buys yesterday. Unfortunately, that 15-minute candle kind of threw me off with no top wick. I wanted a steeper bottom wick on the new 15, and those would have been amazing. But it is what it is. It's a new day. We've still got this bullish momentum to take advantage of. Looking at the daily, okay, let's ignore the daily here for now. Just the 4-hour, right? So we can see this 4-hour is about to close in 3, 2, 1. And we've closed nice and bullish. We had a tap back into this 55 level, which I've had as a key level, was the lows of this range right here. And now we can see, okay, we've had a bottom wick formed on the daily candle, tap into that 55 level. Now let's go look at a broker that's not messing around. You can see here on this 4-hour, your previous 4-hour was bearish, but this one is just about engulfing the previous 4-hour. Different brokers, so different 4-hour candle close. But here, based off their daily, you can see very nice, strong, bullish daily candle closure off that 1940 liquidity zone, as discussed many times here on the stream, on the weekly breakdowns. So I'm looking for us to just continue moving up today. I'm seeing 1965 as quite a significant level here. And we've got a minor resistance at about 1960. So if we could get above 1960, I could look at these bars from above here. About 20 pips of range, but then obviously looking to move to that 1960 and above 1965. You got nice clean traffic moving up to like 1980. So it's bars all day long for me. I'm not interested in the sells, even if we break below like 1955. Now straightforward, seeing that bullish momentum broken back above this. Could actually look at it from this perspective here. We were in a range. We were in this range. And then this breakout here, I don't want to say fake out, we were below that 55 level for some time. But, we just grabbed liquidity from that 1940, 1935 zone. And you've broken back above, back into this 1955 range, looking to move up to the top of the range. So, like I say, about 1980 is the target here. So very straightforward on gold. I would like to keep the focus on gold today. GJ is getting quite choppy, but we will have a quick look at GJ. So we did have that move up yesterday. Failed to sustained those highs. We broke back below these highs from Monday, and right now just ranging, but below 173 key level. You know, we do have some clean traffic here. We could potentially look at those counter trend sells, understanding that, you know, it's the last day of the month. Could see some profit taking. 1, 2, we are at quite significant highs here on GJ. Not enough momentum to continue moving higher. No new fundamentals coming into play. So like I say, could just see some profit taking, some pullbacks. I could see us pulling back to like 171, 250. To set up for the new month. Overall, very much bullish on GJ, but obviously at this point, I don't think it's too bad to be looking at those counter trend sells as just an idea. But right now, gold, it's looking very nice. Checo and the bar stop. Oh man, don't say that, bro. You know I like that idea already. Okay, let's see this. Let's see this idea here. Previous 4-hour high. I won't lie. I like it. I like it a lot. The thing is, this previous 4-hour grabbed a lot of liquidity. The fact that we came all the way into that 55 level and still came back and flipped bullish. I think in this pre-London time, if you do break those highs, it's looking very good. So guys, this is going to be quick. I'm actually going to have a bar stop here on the break of these previous 4-hour highs. Okay, I haven't set my bar stop just yet, so I'm going to set it at 1960.65. Bar stop at 1960.65. And then what I'll do is I'll have my stop loss below the previous hourly candle for about 30 pips. So just keep that in mind, 30 pip stops. Bar stop at 1960.65. And then my stop loss will be at 1957.7. Yeah, I like that idea a lot. Okay, my bar stop's actually been activated here. I don't know if you guys are in. But 60.65 I'm in. Price is obviously a little bit different, but that's fine. So guys, my bar stop has been activated here. 1960.65. Stop loss below the previous hourly low. This is basically taken on the break of previous 4-hour highs. And we are looking to move up here to at least 65. but we do have range moving up to all the way up to 80 actually. If we can get above 65, I'm definitely looking for us to move to 1980.
Just what you've done to those candles to the left. That's literally their irrelevancy or something.
These candles literally, they actually don't exist. They don't exist.
Yeah,
They
no,
only
no,
exist on a
but
window.
the way you scratch them out.
Dude, this thing is annoying me. Really. If anything, we could say, oh, this is clean range moving up to 1970, you know? Wouldn't be a bad way to look at it. Morning guys, what's up everybody? Yeah, Tickmore's 4 hour is also the same as Oranda. You know, this looks very nice here on this 4 hour. Here on Forex.com, the 4 hour is a little bit different. But you know, you could keep an eye on this as long as we're closing above this resistance here on the 4 hour, you look pretty good. So obviously I was wanting a little bit more volume on the break of that previous 4 hour high there. Not seeing that volume. We're currently creating a steeper bottom wick for this 4 hour. So you don't really know how deep of a bottom wick we'll create. There is great potential for us to find support here in this area. But obviously, if you're in drawdown, you could potentially manage your risk if you're not feeling okay with that. Previous 15, no top wick. I'm not too concerned about that. I'll keep an eye on how the 30-minute candle closes. For now, I'm not looking to do anything.
Does the previous 30 have a top wick for you?
Yeah, it does.
Does it? Oh, it is. Yeah, but it's I need to identify. DJ had quite the shift move down here.
What do you mean?
Off of those highs yesterday at like 174, 250.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, GJ's looking pretty ugly this morning.
Yeah, big facts. I mean, if you cancel out, I know obviously you shouldn't be doing this, but if you cancel out everything that happened above like 173, 800, this range is like ridiculous here. This is just pure consolidation.
What, on GJ?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, this... Yeah, I had potential bars marked up there, 173, 570. Because you do have some clean traffic to the left. But, I mean, I don't like this, to be honest. Which was the previous background music name? I'm sorry, I'm not too sure, bro. I didn't even know what song was on. Okay, so obviously we're forming this potomic for the 4 hour here. Could have maybe been a little bit more patient, avoided this unnecessary drawdown, but I think this is alright. 15 close bearish. I'm not scared of a 15-minute candle. Obviously if we come back and break these highs, I think we're going to be in a much better position.
Grab a nice little bit of liquidity there, respecting that structure.
Yeah, if this is a support that's being formed on the 15, and break the highs here, we should be good. Should be very good. $63, 1963 is where I'll look to go break even. Yeah, perfect. XNES broker. What about XNES? I used to use XNES for a little bit of time. I don't think it's that great, bro. But I haven't used them in a long time. They seem very professional. Maybe they've made some improvements. So I can't say too much. I think I used one of their like smaller accounts with the lower deposits. I don't know what they offer anymore. But I used to have a very small account with them. And the spread was like 4 pips. Like 4 or 5 pips at times. Spread alone is not going to make you a profitable trader, but I mean that is pretty big, 4 or 5 pips, and that's coming from me who, you know, I'm not looking for just 10 pips. If you're looking for like 10 pips, bro, that's half your profit gone. I'm normally looking for, you know, slightly bigger moves. The ranges I'm looking to play are normally like at least 30, 40 pips. So 4 pip spread is not really gonna be the end of the world, but it's fucking terrible when you maybe you're scalping and you're grabbing like 10 pips here and there. No, that's tough.
But also, from a percentage perspective, I mean, 4 pips, dude, even if you're looking for like 20, did you essentially, if you get 20 pips, dude, essentially, what is it? Like 20% of your
Yeah,
profit is just going to spread. And then if
that's
you look at that
true.
over the course of a year, that's
If you look at it over 100 trades, it's 400 pips. You know, if you're using a one knot, that's $4,000. It probably was a standard account. Yeah. No, like I said, it was a very small account. It's long ago. Baie lang gelede. Guys, I'm coming now. I just need to close my door.
no, it is.
Just bought a 10k challenge. Any advice? Yeah, what FFF trader said. Have you been consistently profitable on a live account for 3 months, 6 months, a year? If not, then I don't think you should have bought that challenge. But hey, you've got it now. Make the most of it. Obviously, use this as an opportunity to buckle down on your discipline. Try not break any of their rules. Don't be an idiot. That's my advice.
Don't start spending the profit that you haven't made from it at all.
Yeah.
Like thinking you're on 10k, if I get 10% in this amount, I'm going to pay off this book or buy that or do this. You're actually that's around 160 selling.
Yeah, treat it like a business. You know, I think you should treat trading in general like a business. Every trade you place is a business decision. Your losses you take are simply expenses. It's part of the game. But you need to limit your expenses. Understand that there are unnecessary expenses you can cut down on. And you need to maybe make those improvements as you go. If you've got an edge, if you've got confidence in your edge, then there's nothing to it. I think the only thing with the funded accounts is the psychology. So understand when to walk away. If you've had a good day, be grateful for whatever you make. Come back the next day. After you take a withdrawal, if you take a withdrawal, also understand that you might be very excited. It's probably best to come back, once you've neutralized your emotions. So that's going to be a big thing for the funded. I think that's probably the best advice I could give you. Just take note of your emotions, keep them in check. If you're consistent, then you're going to be fine, as long as you keep your emotions in check.
But Isman, best of luck. I hope that you pass this fun challenge and this money makes a huge impact in your life. I really do wish you the best. But just take it as slow as possible, trade with reason, keep a good journal. Even if you do end up failing it, use it as a lesson and a stepping stone instead of just immediately thinking that funding challenges are a scam and work against you, so that when you do come back, you come back with the lesson. But yeah, best of luck, and I really hope it makes a big impact on your life.
Morning.
Morning,
Hey, meneer.
Not much. I joined a bit later because I was load shedding and I didn't charge my laptop. So
Just load shedding the stage 6 is crazy, eh?
yeah, but I don't want to fucking leave my laptop on charge when the power comes on, bro. So
Yeah.
the last laptop fucked up, so I'm not keen.
It's 30-minute candles about to close. I really want to see the 15 closing bullish at least, which will show then we are forming support here.
Any news today?
We've got job openings at 4. This week's also NFP.
Yeah, alright, NFP.
I don't understand how they do this NFP. Sometimes they do it literally the first Friday of the month, and sometimes if it falls over a week, you get what I mean. Like the week closes mid-week or the month closes mid-week, then they do the NFP the next Friday.
Yeah, but I think they do that only when it's like a day before. It's like when the Thursday is the like last day of the month, they'll leave it for the next week. It's some shit like that. Me and Connor noticed it the last time or the
Guys,
time.
we've closed bearish here on the 30. 15 minutes. Did close bullish, you know, so it's like we formed a minor support there. If we break previous 30-minute lows, I was going to say we could look to manage risk there. You're breaking pretty hard. I'm not just going to impulsively do anything here. The 30-minute has no top wick. It is a bit of a sticky one. I'm still in here, I haven't done anything. I think if you were looking to manage, should have managed on the break of that previous 30-minute low. Stops are below the previous hourly low. If you are looking to move up here, I would like to see us respect the previous hourly lows, obviously, and we do have a bit of a previous support area here. Yeah, already not looking great. Obviously, you know, at this point, like I say, I think if you were to manage risk, it should have been on the break of that previous 30-minute low. But that was a bit quick and we had no top wick, so I just wanted to give it a chance there. You know, I'm okay with taking a full stop, but obviously I would like to lose less than I've planned to lose. But for now, we still are respecting the levels I've set out here. If we do come back and flip bullish on the 30, I think we should be alright. And then obviously the idea was to see that volume on the break of previous 4-hour highs. So, you know, we didn't see that initial volume. Could have looked at that as well as an idea to manage risk. Obviously, I'm just thinking out loud. I think it still looks good.
Probably just fetch that bottom wick on the 30 on the side there. That's up a few candles back. What's up, Con?
I'm just in a trade.
You all good?
Yeah. GJ is melting. I'm sure it is. I will never listen to chat when they say GJ is melting.
Literally.
Oh, wow. 20 pips.
But
I don't
just
know
in
anything about
general, when you say
options.
anything.
Trading options, ARC options, don't know anything about it.
I think that's scammy shit, dude. Like, that's just how I feel about it. I've heard that if you do the RQ thing, that you can put money in easy. You just getting your money back is really difficult. So just be careful.
Yeah, we should be ready to rumble, yeah, if we can break these highs now. Previous 30-minute highs. Yeah, hourly flipped bullish there for a second. I think we also have some news at 8. Oh no, it's at 8:45. You got CPR, French CPR. Nothing big, but obviously just to be aware of that and keep an eye on that. Gold seems quite volatile right now. Yeah, at 5 minutes, obviously grabbed some liquidity there from like 58.5 and then closed bullish but had no top wick. Tough one.
It is pretty volatile, eh? Just weird how it's staying in that range of like being volatile.
Yeah. Can see it better on the lower time frame. I mean, even the 5 minute, look at the wicks.
Look at the 1 minute, bro. The 1 minute literally has gaps in between it's going up. Well, I don't know about Ohanda, but on our broker.
Oh, yeah, I see. But I mean, after this now, it looks like volume is picking up. So once we break the highs at 60.6, we should be moving, yeah.
Do you have a first TP or break even point yet or not?
Yeah, break even 1963.
Okay.
I'd like to start taking off at 1965. 1970 is also level to the left. I see. And also just a psychological level.
For sure.
But yeah, my higher time frame targets are 1980. So I think if we can hold and get that break above 65, we should start to trend up to 80, but obviously we'll just see how the position goes. Okay, so we are breaking those highs now. So I'm very happy to see this. I think if I didn't take that initial entry, this is probably what I would be taking. So it'd be a very similar entry, very similar stop. So with the way it's looking now, I'm very much happy here. GJ melting.
$30.
Yeah. Thing is, when you say molting, bro, it sounds like it's hectic. You know?
Maybe it's on lower time frame, bro.
Maybe.
So when he sees that 1 minute of 20 pips, it's like, fuck. It's like, wow. So it's really not that intense. Justin used to do that to me. Remember I told you?
Oh
Justin
yeah.
used to, when we used to speak through the party, he'd sit on the 1 minute chart and I'd sit on my normal chart. And then he goes, yo. And then I look like, what the fuck just happened? And then it's like, literally like 6 pips, bro. And I'm like, Justin, man. Yeah. Yes, yes, bro.
Got lower time frames and emotions are not friends.
No, bro. No. Especially when you take a trade. Holy shit.
Because I do like to use the lower time frames.
For them.
Especially when things are a little bit more volatile. I think like London session, things are moving very smoothly. I don't like to scale in too much in London session. I like the 30 minutes and the hourly and just looking at the candles. But like in New York session or on news days, scaling in, and I do like it. But
It's
I
like you
always
said.
have to scale out to just like ground myself. Otherwise I get so
Well, it's like,
lost, bro.
yeah, but it's like you said, bro. Like, you don't take your trade off the 5 minute, but you'll make sure that the momentum is still in your favor on a lower time frame.
Yeah.
So, and I mean, it's worked a lot in big news days. It's worked a lot. So, yeah, gold's melting, eh?
Wait. Gold's melting.
Oh shit. We
These sales are
naughty.
going pretty well, guys. How's everybody's sales doing?
Wow, is there someone with a sell bias again?
No. I just have the scale inverted, so
Oh, I see. Oh, you full of shit.
I thought you were in a bar. I am in a bar, sorry.
You naughty.
TP 1940.
Never seen someone's brain get fried now if they come in and see a buy in a TP at 1940. I'm about to think how we can ask this question now. Gone? Why 1940 TP?
Imagine.
Let's see. That came in here fucking heated, bro. Course hunt.
Okay, 15 closed nice and bullish there.
Oh wait, Con. So if we're in drawdown, bro, just flip the chart, dude. We'll never have drawdown again, bro.
Straight.
Con. I don't know if he explained it, but I see someone did ask, what does break even mean? I know Jared said it means you will move your stop loss, but I mean, I don't think that justifies for a beginner.
So break even, what I mean by break even point is when we get to that level, you know, I'm generally looking at some level to the left where price could react. So at 1963, I see on the 15 minute, okay, there's resistance there. So I'm gonna have that as my break even point. Now when we get to that break even point, I'll move my stop loss to my entry. So essentially it's a break even trade or risk free trade. There's no more risk on the trade. Right now, you know, I've still got my stop loss at 1957.7. So I've still got some risk on the table here, but when I go break even, it will be a risk free trade. So I can't lose anything in the position other than the profit that I'm in.
And a break-even trade is better than a losing trade. Remember that.
Yeah.
So if you move your stop loss to entry, does that mean that you have a stop loss? Do you guys use stop loss?
Yeah, monkey, you know.
So
I pose drink in the morning to give you this energy every time. Huh?
It's called Dao, but it's.
I thought it was called Ritalin, sorry.
I wish that's not.
Hey, what's that? Concerta. Yeah, Concerta.
yeah, Jared on concert would be a problem.
A fucking big problem, bro.
Nah, I used to take it in Boston.
Yeah, you should. We're not when you were involved with us. I'm so glad. Wow. And then, how'd you take it? Did you take it out of the people that? You take it out of the people here in my town takes it, bro.
Oh no, I didn't do that way.
What?
Yeah.
What are you talking about, Nico? I don't even know
He's
what you're
talking about. You know how an anteater eats ants?
What? The nose.
That's the exact
Jeez.
concept.
So wow.
They swap the ants for concerts. That's how they took this. But no, I didn't ever do that way. I usually had it with a peanut butter sandwich and a glass of milk.
Yeah. No,
Not with the dirty ass credit. Yeah, not with the dirty ass credit card in a mirror.
Or you look at yourself while seeing your money go away from buying Concerta.
No, I'm speaking about make it able to put up the street's gonna get demonetized again.
Why are you talking about Concerta?
No, it's about shopping drugs there.
That's you, bro.
That's you, bro. We're talking about looking at ourselves while fucking having concert and thinking about life. That's about it.
Come, let's keep it professional.
About this. Oh, that's a rave, dude.
Bro, I might be tripping, but yesterday I'm sure someone with the name Slapcock joined our Discord, bro. I'm so fucking sure. And I like moved it to the side, and I didn't get to see it. I don't know where to go look who joins the server unless you go through everyone, and I'm not doing that.
No, you just go to general, and then there's like the list of the recent people.
Break even coming in, bro.
Looking good. There is definitely issues to the left at the 63, 64, but 65 is like a key level that I'm looking for price to move into. So I'm not looking to secure immediately at break even, but I'm going to move my stop loss to break even now. So stop loss to break even here, risk-free trade, sitting up about 22 pips. Nico, you see the new MetaTrader, you can move your stop on the chart.
Don't glance.
Promise you.
Your fancy things.
Game changer.
Yes. I had it before you, please. Don't come in my bubble. Oh shit. I mean W, sorry. Not E's.
I haven't even got this update of MetaTrader yet. What is this?
No, it's only for the elite. That's all it started with me, and then Connor, now you. Please, come on. Please.
You first have to make 100k, and then you can get it.
Bro, understand what lane you're in, okay? I'm on that, what do you call those things in Germany where you drive so fast, Connor?
Autobahn.
I'm in the Autobahn, bro. You still there in the yellow lane parked, okay? Please. Don't come play with me.
Jeez, I'm still figuring out why the car has 3 pedals. Compared to Niku.
Wait, what? I didn't hear, sorry, I was writing something. You said something about 3 lanes. What's got 3 lanes?
No, I said if you're on the Autobahn, I'm still figuring out why the car has 3 pedals.
A 5-minute day close, no top wick. These 5 minutes with no wicks are starting to get on my nerves here.
Yeah, but in volatile moments, like, you know, it's
but
bound to happen.
It seems that these candles with no top wicks, the next candle creates quite a steep bottom wick. So there it is, and then we're starting to push up again. I think the stop is in a nice place here as well, below the 15 minutes. You know, we don't really want to break that 15-minute low. Like, you could even trail your stop. I'm not going to trail my stop, but if you wanted to, you know, I think it would make sense to have it below the 15, you know. So I haven't closed out just yet. Let's see if we do get some momentum here. Okay, we're breaking those highs. Looking for that 65 level. At 65, I will close out 50%.
50% or 60%?
50. Actually, we can say 60 to be honest. I don't think that'll be a bad shot.
Yeah, I was about to say as well. It's a big push.
Yeah, it is. It is. I'll actually probably close out like 75%. Leave a small runner.
Yeah, that's a good shot.
We're targeting 1980 as a runner.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, then I'll do 75% as well. Just makes sense.
Also coming very close to the hourly close, so let's just keep an eye on this. If we're not tapping that 65 level before the hourly close, I don't want to risk it too much, and I would rather just close out before we get to 65 then. Just
Yeah,
one
Connor, can you
position
make
generally. Yeah.
can you make an omelet, bro?
You like your omelets, don't you?
You,
Can you?
Yeah, I
you
can.
believe in aliens, Nico?
Excuse me?
Do you believe in aliens, Nico?
I don't know. Oh, is that a random question? Bro, I'm
Yeah, very
fucking
random
food.
question.
That's why I'm thinking about food, dude. And you know what nice fucking omelet I make? I impress myself, bro. Listen, yo. Let me tell you.
Oh, Nico. What did you do with that shit?
Be boring as fuck. Bro, you know what's fucking with my head? Because it's the second that I do this stupid shit. When I'm journaling, I journal my fucking funded account by my live account and my live account by my funded account, bro. And I don't know how I keep mixing it up. It's so different and I still fuck it up. And you know, it's not a good
Sorry, there's just someone in chat saying, I don't know why, but I can't modify my position to close 50%. You must go close your position. So go as if you were closing your position and then adjust the lot size that you want to close. I just wanted to let that guy know in case, you know, he's wanting to close out some of his position.
In other words, if you have a 0.10 running, close top in 0.05 where the lot size stands, and then it will, like you just say close, and will close 50%. Fuck.
I actually think I want to create a video on that to help out all the guys and post it up on the YouTube page. Yeah? Like a full on tutorial.
Like a what? Like a 1 minute reel of how you do it.
No, like an in-depth video, like how to use MetaTrader Create. Because a lot of guys understand how to do it, but they sometimes simple. Simple is like a struggle. So
Yeah, please, no South African slang here, bro.
yeah.
Let's see. We're coming very close to the hourly close. So the thing is, it's either we get that tap into 65, close our partials, or if I'm just monitoring the 1 minute here to see, you know, if we're going to potentially pull back a little bit. Because I don't want to be greedy and say I'm only going to close at 65. Where if price is telling me that, look, we're not going to tap 65 right now, we might get pullbacks. I would rather secure some of my profit at like 63, and then at least I'm taking home, you know, some profit for the day. But we look good right now. 3 minutes to go.
Yeah, my hit myself.
Yeah, Activino, you're very much right. You are right. The thing is, the fact that I'm at break even, I don't want that hourly pullback, man. Guys, I haven't closed anything yet. You're at 65. I'm gonna close out 75% right here. And stop, so I break even. So secured about 45 pips there. And yeah, risk-free trade. TP at 1980, letting it run.
Let's get those locks up, eh? Come on.
So 1980 fun.
Yeah, 1980s TP. 1970 is a level we just want to keep an eye on. Ignore this stupid Oanda candle. No, it's also just so weird that it's at that 1970 level. So it looks like I've marked it up based off of that, but I'm not looking at that Oanda chart. 1970 just a psychological level, and then you also have resistance, support. So definitely a level we want to keep an eye on. You know, maybe depending on how you want to manage your position, you could look at possibly taking off more profit there at 1970. But I discussed earlier on, if if we zoom out here, let me just get up annotate so I can pull this out again. So we were in this range for a period of time, and now we've broken back into this range here. So now with this bullish momentum, we've had a nice retest of the lows of this range. I mean, you've got this clean traffic to the left to mirror as well. So looking to basically mirror that to the top of the range. That's the idea behind that. And then if we look at the 4 hour here, you'll see that 80 level right there on the 4 hour. I see this 4 hour on forex.com just closed, very nice and bullish. So if we can break that high and just continue moving up to 1970, that's going to be amazing.
Yeah, we know he just posted an L, but we know he posted it because he's either closed his trade early or took a sell. So he's just a little bit South African slang. He's a bit nar. That's all.
I thought you were gonna say something about that.
There were too
What
many
did you-
W's
I
to
don't
see
know.
the L.
That's there because Jared cleared it, and then he already said some shit. We were having fun while you were talking, but yeah. Yeah, it don't matter. Nice trade, con.
Shots.
Bro, you know that the beachfront gym hasn't had power for like 3 days, bro.
Yeah, I actually saw Pana at the
Yeah.
what
Oh
do you call
yeah.
it? My gym.
Yeah, but, yeah. What did he say? Just
I
some
just
shit.
said how's it to him, and I checked on that that kid
Okay,
for the
and
car wash. Yeah.
as he messaged him.
He said he was busy in that, so I just reminded him.
Oh yeah. Sick.
But
Oh,
yeah, I
we
see
done now.
all the guys from your side have been my side now.
Coming.
Yeah.
That's because you can't sauna or shower there, bro. But you can still gym. So like, if you're going to just pick up weights, bro, you can. So yeah.
Mm.
But don't they close it at a certain time because it gets too dark?
They have like some like okay lights in there, but obviously with them not being able to charge the lights, like, you know. But
Wait, what?
the
Is there
thing
no
is,
power? I thought it was just no water.
there's no power, bro. Like there's no like
Oh.
fuck all power. Like the gym's been
There's
like looking like a ghost house for like the last 2-3 days.
Yes.
But
good.
then I would want to go
Shut
train
down.
there, bro. Hey.
Me too, bro. Like I enjoy training in the dark.
Yeah.
The thing is, you can't shower afterwards, bro, and it's been raining by us. So if you don't get to like shower and then you just walk out all hot and sweating, you're gonna get sick, dude. Well, I would. So like even if I put a hoodie on, I know I'll get sick. So it's just my immune system is not strong like that. So yeah.
Yeah. No, I never shower at gym because I've literally live a kilometer away. Even like my old gym, dude, I literally stay like down the road. But
Do you sauna?
to be honest, I'm not the biggest fan of sauna, dude. I'll do it like every now and then, but I'm not like aware, you know? Like I wanna go sauna and I wanna sit in this fucking other people's sweat and shit.
No need to shower, nigga. Yo, you just, bro. You mad, Ned. I would never, bro.
Did we all knew a kid like that in primary school? Didn't shower
didn't
for a
shower.
month.
Yo, bro,
Like,
there's some guys that don't
relaxed.
shower at my gym. It's horrible.
Bro,
Oh, dude,
like,
trust me, I smelled that at mine as well.
no, bro, you make me nod because I'm thinking there's different smells to sweats, bro, and that's how you know someone's a dirty cunt, dude. Oh, if you can't say that, sorry. It's like, yes.
Yo,
No,
EG.
some
Yeah,
people.
stream's definitely not being monetized today.
Yeah,
I'm sorry.
Nico, you need to
Just-
send us
anyway,
that money.
Hey, I'm fucking
Nico,
sorry,
you owe me
bro.
$2. $2,
I'll
bro.
fucking
2.5.
I'll buy you a monster, Connor, so you can run around in the gym. How's that?
Oh,
Nice.
thanks.
I can't drink it. I'll give it to you, bro. You know that thing where they're like, "Do you want a monster or make it 2 and pass it along?" Oh, I'm passing it along, bro. Don't stress. Shoes,
Double it,
showers. Aha.
Yo, the only thing I don't like about showering that at the gym, bro, because I wear my slops like the whole time in the showers and the sauna and that, and then they get like soaked in water. I don't know, 'cause
I
it's like
feel.
they like kind of absorbent,
No.
you know?
Yeah, okay, no, just get different slops. Me, I also just wear my slops, bro. But when I'm in the shower, I just like literally like I don't stand in my slops all the time. I'll take my foot out, wash it, and then I'll wash my slop because I come from the sauna, so it's like sweaty. So nah. And then when I'm done showering, I'll wash my slops, and then on we go. Just don't do what Jared. Jared, what? No, let me not say that on stream, bro. I just remember what Jared told us. Do you remember?
What did he say?
What?
I don't want to say it on stream.
Just say it.
It's something that happened to you, bro. Like, are you sure I'm gonna say it?
I don't know. I
Still
think
there,
maybe...
what's-
It has to do with what do you get when you're in the shower? You don't dry your feet properly. You get athlete's foot.
Oh
I'm
no,
not saying
I got athlete's hand.
athlete's hand.
Fuck. Dude, athlete's
Yo,
hand,
what are you
bro.
touching, Jared?
No, dude, I got athlete's foot on my hands from my fucking sauna, dude. Dude, it was fucking disgusting, bro. Dude, I was miffed, bro.
How is that possible, bro? You walk on your hands, bro, like a gorilla when you go to
Yeah.
the
It's obviously no. It's obviously from the like touching the door handles and shit like that. Because I
lie,
literally checked the
dirty. Yo, I almost said something. You don't lie to us. You that guy that uses X-ray only. Don't come to cuck.
Oh goodness. Wow. Nah.
You want
And
to know?
you what?
You want to
Dude,
know
I
how we
don't
get
know.
it? Tell us,
Dude,
bro.
I don't know how I got it, bro, but it's around that time that I started stuttering, and I was like, oh goodness, bro.
Nah, bro, I've never had that, bro. I've never had it. Con, have you ever had that shit?
No.
Yeah.
Never
Jared,
had
you-
athlete's
I don't
hand
know.
or foot.
Dude, it's probably from fucking
On your hand, Jared, bro. I can't let it go.
What? What do you want me to say?
Okay. Anyway, gents, I think this was nice. Nice trade this morning. Closed out 75% there at 65 for about 45 pips.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, still got a runner here. I'm not gonna sit through the runner, and to be honest, I think this is one of those days where the stream will be a little bit shorter. You know, yesterday was a long stream, and I'm quite excited to come back. And you know, I've been doing very short streams lately. I want to get back into doing the longer streams, sitting here for London Open, seeing what London Open brings. But I mean, today I don't need to, you know, so I'm gonna call it a day here, but coming back to take over the live streaming scene. So see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for joining. Take it easy, guys. Safe trading today, and yeah, just keep in mind NFP is later this week, and it's the last day of the month. That's what I wanted to tell you guys. Last day of the month. Just be careful of that. Just be aware of that. Cool. Take it easy, guys.
Connor,
Yeah.
quick question. Would you take another trade above 1965 to add to the existing positions? What somebody's asking.
No.
You could. I mean, I had bars planned above 65 as well, but maybe later in the day. I think if you get bad jolts, yo, last day of the month, tomorrow you got ADP and PMR, and then you got NFP on Friday. I don't know, I don't want to be too aggressive with anything. I guess see how it sets up. If you do break above 65 and you can maybe form support there in the afternoon, that'll look decent. So let's just go here quick.
Maybe if it was your first trade you're taking, not a second position adding, it would be a different story. You also have London Open coming up, as Carl says. So
Yeah.
there's a lot
Nah,
of different factors in it right now compared to a little bit earlier. So
yeah, I wouldn't rush into it. Bro, my trading view is tripping out. Where are these alerts coming from? I go to my alert
don't
tab,
knock
they're
on
not
it.
even there.
Those are the things
Okay,
you're not telling
so
us.
now I want to draw this out on committee. So what I'm saying is, if we can break above 65, and then maybe come back down, form support there later in the day, that might look really nice. But yeah, I think for those moves up to 80, you might need a bit of a catalyst, such as bad jolts numbers this afternoon. So I'll just keep an eye out for that. But I mean, I'm not interested in that right now. I'm happy with that trade. I'm gonna call it a day. Obviously, just see what sets up later in the day. Cool guys, take it easy. Cheers, thanks for joining.